Listen carefully to the audio. Keep the 3 questions in mind and answer them after listening. 2 hidden extra questions will appear at the end. Don't miss a single line while listening. Questions to keep in mind.
What items did Liam organize in his storage cabinet?
Who suggested the suitable corners for the indoor plants?
What item was missing during the unpacking?
Now let's listen to the passage.
When the Hamilton family moved into their new apartment at Riverwood Heights, everyone helped arrange the rooms. Mr. Hamilton placed the sofa set in the living room, setting it near the large glass balcony doors to bring in sunlight. Mrs. Hamilton unpacked the porcelain dinnerware and arranged it neatly on the kitchen shelves. Their son, Liam, organized his sports gear, robotics kit, and board games in a labeled storage cabinet. Grandpa walked around the apartment and suggested suitable corners for the indoor plants, giving the home a fresh look. While unpacking, the family discovered that their digital photo frame was missing. They searched through every labeled shipping carton until they found it wrapped in a soft blanket in the utility room. By evening, the apartment looked tidy, bright, and welcoming, slowly becoming their comfortable new home.
What items did Liam organize in his storage cabinet?
He organized his sports gear, robotics kit, and board games. Who suggested the suitable corners for the indoor plants? Grandpa suggested the suitable corners for the indoor plants.
What item was missing during the unpacking?
The digital photo frame was missing during the unpacking. Let's move on to the hidden extra questions. What did Mrs. Hamilton arrange on the kitchen shelves? Where did the family finally find the digital photo frame? What did Mrs. Hamilton arrange on the kitchen shelves? Mrs. Hamilton arranged the porcelain dinnerware neatly on the shelves. Where did the family finally find the digital photo frame?
The family found the digital photo frame wrapped in a soft blanket in the utility room.